Underground BBQ ORL. We out here. Just wanted to show y'all an update. All the work that was done, all the cutting. So the step rail that was here, we took that out. See all the cutting that was made on that. And I did all of it. All the cutting. I used about 5 blades on the whole project, cutting everything. It's a DIY project, but I got some help.
So, you just see how it turned out. My faith in God, so I know it's gonna be right. I used the cuts that was made. I need a little height in here, so we're gonna raise this up a bit. See that 3 compartment sink. Shout out to my boy Craig. These was cut. I only cut one side. I don't think it's wise to cut both sides until we get ready to start doing the lifting. And I'm not finished with all my cutting. So far as metal that gotta be removed. But I got this piece here that needs to come out. That one right there next to it, that one gotta come out. I got a piece right here that needs to come out. But just giving y'all updates. That one right there needs to come out. Anywhere where it's a hole at. Well, I feel it's a weak link. Get out of there. Yeah, that step rail was helpful. I had where to do it, but they get replaced. Now this is cut. I know you're like, well, what about that hole? That's gonna get fixed.
All the way down. The wheel well. That's gonna get done. Don't get worried. Like I say, just want to give you a small update. What's what? And more space. We breathe a little bit more with the windows. Yeah, just the cutting part. I ain't finished yet though. Underground BBQ, ORL.